Oh, 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 oh. What? 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 What do you want? What? Oh, oh, is it time for your supper? This is why we call you J. Edgar Hoover, because you hoover it all. You gonna chew any of that, or you just gonna shove it all in your mouth? Seriously. Not the best life, but anyway. Doop, doop, doop. Yep, still in there. What? What, you didn't finish it all? Oh, gotta take a breather to breathe, right? Oh, don't be sick. I think we'll put this up for now. What? Okay, guess not. Yum, 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 yum. What kind is it? The bacon kind? Look at that. Under a minute. Actually, less than a minute. Here. Look. There's one over here, too. Look. 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 What's that? What's that? Done. See? All right. Now he's running off to get it from Wilbur, but Wilbur's got to eat his on his own, so nope.